Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn off secret mode on Samsung Internet. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is search for a Samsung Internet application on your phone. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you're gonna be right here in this page. Here in the bottom, you're gonna find four icons, the home, bookmarks, tabs, and lastly, the little sandwich icon. So go ahead and click on this icon, and then you're gonna be right here in the tabs menu. Here in the bottom, you're gonna find two options: turn on secret mode and new tab. So if we click on turn on secret mode, so we're gonna click on start. The secret mode will be enabled, and anything that you search right here or you do in this mode will not be saved once you turn off the secret mode. So if you want to turn it off, go ahead and click again on that same icon, and then we're gonna be here in the same page, except that the turn on secret mode option will be changed to turn off secret mode. Go ahead and click on turn off secret mode, and right here when you go back, as you can see guys right here, the secret mode is not activated, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.